Hello guys, it's been a while since I made content on my YouTube channel, probably like 1 to 2 months. I've been working on some things, some projects, so it's been a while. So today I've decided to embark on a new journey. Currently I'm a developer, I know how to develop website and all that, but I've realized that that skill is kinda limited, Everyone uses the web, and it's not that the skill is limited, but it just needs some spices on it. So I'll be embarking on learning search engine optimization, and I'll share this journey with you from our first site to optimize it and receive traffic, and also add it to make sure that it's in Google AdSense, and also make money from there. So we'll see. It will be a long playlist, but we'll see how it will take us. My approach is really simple. I'll find some few experts on the SEO. So if you have any resources or material that can be helpful on this journey, you can comment it. I'll check on it. So the search engine optimization is really crucial for you to rank on Google, for businesses to rank on Google. So maybe you got a client needs a website, but that's not all. The website need to be ranked in Google, find new customers from searches and all that, so keywords and all that. So it's a really important factor to play with this AI, the rise of artificial intelligence. It's really crucial because the chatbots like ChatGPT, when you ask ChatGPT, find me some restaurants, it normally uses Google still. So Google is the real beast here. If you can rank on Google, then you're good to go. So that's what I'll be working on, and it will be a nice journey to share it with you. So if you want to follow this journey, kindly consider subscribing, and see you on the next one. Thank you.